They look harmless, a little shade, a little green, and they are about to become the most expensive mistake you ever planted. Every year, thousands of homeowners spend their life savings repairing what a single tree did to their house. Cracked foundations, destroyed plumbing, roofs torn apart. And the worst part is they planted that tree themselves. Today, I am going to show you the 10 trees you should never plant near your house. And number 1 is probably growing in your neighborhood right now. Number 10. Mimosa tree, also called the silk tree. It looks like something from a tropical paradise. Pink, fluffy flowers. It grows incredibly fast, and it is one of the most hated invasive trees in the South. The mimosa produces thousands of seeds in long brown pods. Every single seed grows. It will take over your yard, your neighbor's yard, and the woods behind your house. Its wood is extremely weak. It splits and breaks constantly, and those beautiful pink flowers turn into a slimy, smelly brown mess that sticks to your car, your patio, and your shoes. The pods clog everything. And worst of all, it carries a fungus called mimosa wilt that kills the tree in a few years, leaving you with a dead, ugly 12-foot tree that you now have to pay to remove. Number 9. Black walnut. This one does not attack your house directly. It poisons everything you love around it. The roots of a black walnut produce a chemical called juglone. This chemical is toxic to almost everything. Tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, blueberries, and most flowers will turn yellow and die if they are within 80 feet of this tree. Your garden will never grow. Then it drops its fruit. Hard, heavy green balls the size of a tennis ball. Hundreds of them. They will dent your car. They will stain your hands, your driveway, and your clothes black for weeks. And they will attract every squirrel and rat in the neighborhood straight to your attic. Number 8. Cottonwood. This tree will make you regret summer. Female cottonwoods release a blizzard of white cotton for 3 weeks every year. This is not snow. This is fluff that gets into everything. It clogs your air conditioner until it breaks. It clogs your pool filter. It fills your gutters. And that fluff carries a severe allergen. If you have asthma or allergies, you will not be able to breathe outside. Cottonwoods grow over 100 feet tall, and their wood is soft and weak. They drop huge branches without warning, even on a day with no wind. Number 7. Eucalyptus. If you live in a dry place like California, Texas, or Arizona, this tree can cost you your home. Eucalyptus trees are filled with flammable oil. Their bark peels off in strips and piles up like paper. In a wildfire, the oil boils and the tree explodes. It shoots burning embers hundreds of feet, spreading fire to your house instantly. Firefighters call them gasoline trees. Even without fire, they are a danger. They have very shallow roots for how tall they are. They can grow over 80 feet and then just fall over in a strong wind, pulling everything with them. Number 6. Bradford Pear. In the 90s, every new house got one. Perfect shape, white flowers. Now cities are paying to cut them down. First, the flowers smell horrible, like dead fish. The entire street stinks for weeks in spring. Second, its branch structure is a time bomb. All its branches grow from one single weak point in a tight V shape. When the tree gets about 15 years old and heavy, it splits right down the middle. It does not lose a branch. It loses half the tree at once. It will crush your car or your roof. It is not if, but when. Many states have now banned the sale of this tree completely. Number 5. Sweet gum. Landscapers love it because it has beautiful star-shaped leaves that turn bright red in the fall. Homeowners hate it because of what falls from it. Sweet gum trees drop thousands of hard, spiky balls called gumballs. They are an inch wide, covered in sharp spikes. You cannot walk barefoot around this tree. You cannot mow over them, they will damage your lawnmower. You will slip on them and fall. They clog your gutters and your drains, and its roots are famous for lifting sidewalks and driveways. The city will fine you for the damage, but you will have to pay to fix the concrete. Number 4. Tree of Heaven. Do not let the beautiful name fool you. This is hell in tree form. The tree of heaven, or ailanthus, is the most invasive tree in the United States. It grows from a crack in the concrete. It grows from a dead stump. Nothing kills it. It grows 8 feet per year, and it spreads by sending out thousands of seeds and by underground runners. One tree can become a forest in 2 years and destroy your entire yard. And the smell. When you cut its leaves or its wood, it smells like rotten peanut butter and burned rubber. Its roots produce a poison that kills every other plant around it, and it is the favorite home of the spotted lanternfly, a pest that is destroying farms across America. If you see this tree near your house, kill it immediately. Number 3. Poplar. People plant them because they grow tall and skinny very fast. They want a quick privacy screen, but poplars live fast and die fast. They only live about 20 years and they are sick almost their entire life. They get canker, a disease that makes the bark peel and the branches die, and they are zombies. Even if you cut the main tree down, its roots stay alive underground and send up dozens of suckers everywhere. In your lawn, in your driveway cracks, in your flower beds. You plant one poplar, you get 50. You will spend years fighting its clones. Number 2. Willow. If there is one tree that plumbers fear, it is the willow, especially the weeping willow. It is beautiful, but it is the thirstiest tree on this list. A mature willow can drink 100 gallons of water every single day. Its roots will go 100 feet or more to find it. They will find your septic tank. They will find your water line. They will find your swimming pool and crack it from underneath. Once willow roots get into your pipes, they form a dense hair-like net that no chemical will dissolve. You will have to dig up your entire yard. And now, number 1. Silver maple. The worst tree you can plant near your house, and the most common. It is the fastest growing shade tree in America. It can grow 7 feet in 1 year, and that is exactly why it is so dangerous. Its roots do not grow down. They grow sideways, shallow, right under your lawn, searching for water. They will travel 50 feet from the trunk and find the tiny crack in your foundation or your sewer pipe. Once they get inside, they expand, and they will not stop until that pipe is completely destroyed. Replacing a sewer line can cost you $10,000. Insurance calls it your fault, and its branches are weak, brittle. In a normal storm, large limbs just snap off and fall on your roof, your car, or your fence. If you have a silver maple within 20 feet of your house, you are living on borrowed time. Your home is your biggest investment. A $30 tree from the store can cause $30,000 in damage. So tell me in the comments, do you have one of these 10 in your yard right now? If this video saved you from a big mistake, please hit the like button and subscribe. Stay safe.